Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Linux. We will focus on Sober, a cutting-edge tool that provides a specialized runtime for the Android version of Roblox. This method is distinct from using Wine or virtual machines, aiming for a more native feel. Many users report performance that is on par with, or even surpasses, the Windows client. While it is an unofficial, community-driven project, it offers a robust way to enjoy your favorite Roblox experiences. Before we install Sober, you will need to set up Flatpak on your Linux system. Flatpak is a fantastic universal packaging system that makes installing applications much simpler, regardless of your specific Linux distribution. Most modern distributions either include it by default or make it very easy to add. You can usually find the installation instructions for Flatpak on your distribution's official website or by searching online. Once Flatpak is ready, we can move on to getting Sober. Now that Flatpak is installed, let's get Sober. Sober is conveniently available as a Flatpak package from FlatHub. First, ensure you have the FlatHub repository added to your Flatpak setup. Then, open your terminal and use the Flatpak install command for Sober. After a successful installation, launch Sober from your applications menu. The first time you open it, Sober will intelligently prompt you to install the Roblox player, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. Once Sober has installed Roblox, you can launch the game directly from your applications menu, just like any other program. Many users experience smooth gameplay, with some even reporting performance up to twice as good as the native Windows client. For the best experience, ensure your system meets the recommended hardware specifications, including a modern CPU and a Vulkan or OpenGL ES 3.0 plus compatible graphics card. Remember, Sober is an experimental project, so community feedback is valuable for its continuous improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.